This is the Shure MV88 Plus shotgun mic, and I use it with my smartphone, and I'm currently recording with my smartphone, so I can't show you what that would look like, but just imagine my iPhone right here, this USB-C plugged into my iPhone. That's my setup, because the camera on my iPhone is fantastic, so all I really need is a good quality mic, and this is great. I mean, it's not that expensive, and the quality is really good. By the way, I just wanted to quickly let you know that if you are interested in checking out this product for yourself, I'll leave a link down below in the video description so you can check it out. It's so easy to use. You just plug in the USB-C, there's no on or off. Literally, once you plug it into your smartphone, the light comes on the back and away you go. Well, almost. You do need to download the app to either record video or record audio. It's important that you do that. It's so easy, so it's no big deal. But just keep in mind that is a little gotcha. No complaints. It's cool. I mean, I've been using this for a few months now, and as you can see, it's on this little flimsy stand microphone thing. I just use it all the time. I use it for YouTube and other videos. This is just always sitting here like this, and it's really easy to put on, by the way, and it feels good quality as well. Like, you just spin this around a little bit, and then you can slide that straight off. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. I can. That's so easy. And then straight back on. And you could position it facing any direction that you want. But I'm just going to slide that back in there with one hand. Let's see. Can I do it? Yeah. Okay, cool. And then just tighten that. That's fixed. That's not going to fall off. Plug this into your smartphone and you are ready to record. As far as shotgun mics go, I don't have a whole lot of experience, but this is good. I will say that depending on the acoustics of the room, if you're getting further away than maybe like 8 feet, 10 feet from the microphone, maybe it's not going to be perfect. Maybe in those cases, either something more professional, high quality, I don't know, like this is good, but maybe a lapel mic might be a better option. That's what I've found. Anytime the microphone is like getting pretty far away from me, I kind of watch it back and I think, probably should have used a lapel mic for that one, but I need to get one, by the way. But this is great. I mean, I think if you're within 6 or 8 feet of this microphone, you're gonna be impressed with the sound quality. And in case you're wondering, no, this audio sound that you're hearing right now, it's not been recorded with this, it's been recorded with this other mic here as well. But you get the quick start guide that explains a whole bunch of things, everything you need to know. And you get this pretty cool looking and feeling mount that you could put the mic on. I've never used it because I want to have my microphone and my camera, my smartphone, together right here, all as one little unit. But if you wanted to, you could mount the microphone like this. And then, I don't know, maybe like hand hold your smartphone and get your video footage that way. Looks cool. I haven't used it. Something else that I do like, and again, this feels really, really nice as well, but check this out, it's so easy to travel with. You can just put everything in these little pouches here, roll it up like I'm gonna do next week when I go traveling, and then Velcro that shut. It's pretty compact, and look how small it is. It's so tiny. The quality is great. Like I said, I've been using it for a few months. I think it's really fantastic. No complaints. Hope this was helpful and have a great day.